Sige.
Good day, everyone. We are Group 3. So today we are going to present our choosing case study. Thousands of public housing facilities failed smoke alarm inspections. A case study under NEMA PS 3005-2020. Guide for proper use of system smoke detectors. So for introduction, more than 1 million people in the US live in federally funded housing complexes that inspectors found has failed to install working smoke detectors. An ABC investigation found that 3 out of 4 of those complexes were also cited for other issues, such as electrical hazards and black fire incidents. ABC-owned television stations analyzed data from Department of Housing and Urban Development inspections of subsidized housing between 2014 and 2019. So, kanina yung case study is 5 years na siya pag-inspect sa mga results about sa mga smoke detectors na na-fail. So, ABC found more than 11,000 properties with 41% of complexes cited for missing, broken, or inadequate smoke alarms. In Chicago, Houston, and New York City, at least half of all federally subsidized private buildings were cited for not ensuring smoke detectors were in place and working. So in New York, federal inspectors failed to meet an annual inspection requirements 3 out of 4 times. So in 2019, nanita po nga accident which is a mother and 5 of her children died in a fire in a Harlem apartment, where investigators found no working smoke detector. So despite knowing about smoke alarms and other safety issues, government inspectors returned for re-inspections months of years behind schedule. Based on HUD rules, about 90% of complexes with smoke alarm problems were inspected late. Fire safety is a paramount concern for both residential and commercial buildings. In this regard, smoke detectors play a crucial role in detecting and alerting occupants about the presence of smoke, so thus giving them time to evacuate safely. Smoke detectors are considered an indispensable part of fire safety protocols, and their constant evolution and improvement have immensely contributed to saving countless lives. In connection with this matter, it is mandatory to adhere with safety electrical standards and protocols. NEMA PS 3005-2022 Guide for Proper Use of System Smoke Detectors provides information about applications of smoke detectors used in conjunction with fire alarm systems. So outlines operating characteristics of detectors and environmental factors that aid or prevent their operation. So for the problem statement, so numerous problems were indicated in the incident. So di ba to sa introduction na mention dito nga na electrical hazard o na po black fire exit. Dili lang smoke detector ang problema ito, kundi pag-inspect nila na apa. So this includes the failure of smoke detector in performing its function during the actual event, as well as the existence of other electrical hazards in the area and black fire exits. So the lack of inspection and maintenance for the system smoke detectors need to be enhanced. So di ba kung kanang mga building, yung mga subdivision, yung mga balay-balay, need mo nga dapat na smoke detectors. Kaya kung na-fire mo may tabo, dali na siya makatay. So through smoke detectors, ma-detect niya kung naisunog, mas makasave pa siya ng life is. The next is the analysis. So for analysis, first is not adhering to Section 5, testing and maintenance of service detectors under NEMA PS 2005-2022. So it is cited in an investigation that is half of all federally subsidized private buildings were cited for not ensuring smoke detectors were in place and working. Despite knowing about smoke alarms and other safety issues, government inspectors returned for inspections months or years behind schedule. So, under sa Section 5 sa NEMA DS 2005-2022 is the maintenance ay standards for testing, maintenance, and service of detectors. So, sa atong investigation, nakuan dito as kanang Kamulo inspect is ang tawag na, yung Kamulo inspection, nila na-found out na ang mga smoke detectors were not in place and working. So, wala siya na kanang function. Tapos, despite knowing sa kanang importance sa smoke alarms, ang mga inspectors is nasa ka ng delay when it comes to kanang maintenance o kanang testing sa mga smoke detectors. The next is the non-compliance with Section 7, which is the responsibilities of detector owners and installers. The owners of smoke system detectors in the area were inspected. In regards to this inspection, reports found out that there are a lot of missing, broken, and inadequate smoke detector. Then third is the failure to conform to subclause 6.1.1, which is inspector detector for dirt and review maintenance under Section 6 of NEMA-PS 3005-2022. If the alarm log indicates that after several months or a year with a fairly stable alarm rate, there is a gradual increase in the frequency of nuisance alarms. This is usually an indication that the detectors in the system should be cleaned. Cleaning detectors at least once a year or more frequently if environmental conditions warrant it. So, na yung mga case where naman na sila ay lab, bali dito sa lab, makuha nila kanang pagtingog bitaw sa kanang alarm. Pagtingog sa alarm. So, kaya mo rin monitor nila dito. So, if ever nga makita nila sa pilang monitor na kanang gabalik-balik stable bitang fire alarm, so there's an instance nga kanang kaya mo rin daot na to sa kanang smoke alarm. So, for solutions and interventions. So, para sa kuan, first problem, ang iya solution na to is adherence to Section 5 of NEMA-PS 3005-22, which is nag-focus sa maintenance, testing, o katong service sa smoke detectors. So, detectors should be visually inspected at installation and at least twice a year to ensure that each detector remains in good physical condition and that there are no changes that will affect detector performance. Changes that can affect detector performance include things such as building modifications, occupancy hazards, tampering, and environmental effects. So, as usual, ang mga detectors should be visually inspected. Tapos, para kay ever na yung mga building modifications. If ever na yung mga building modifications or kanang may mga repair bitaw, makakuan ka ng mga maka-affect mo na siya sa function sa smoke alarm. So, para makakuan ka ng tawag na. Pero kung saan kayo pagbuhon dapat sa smoke alarm is apply. The next is detectors should be cleaned and maintained according to the manufacturer's published instructions. Some detectors can be cleaned with a rag or high-powered vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment, and some can be removed or disassembled for more thorough cleaning. Refer to the manufacturer's recommended cleaning procedure for details. Compressed air or other methods as recommended by the manufacturer may be used as well in order to remove dust and grease from the detector. So, pwede na ito na malubyuhan ka ng mga detector. Pwede siya kung gamiton is ka ng mga rag na o mga high-powered vacuum cleaner para po hindi pwede. The next is test each detector sensitivity. Compare the manufacturer's recommended procedure within 1 year of installation and every alternate year thereafter or where the current enforcement of NFP is low. The next is the strict implementation of the standards mandated in Section 7 of NEMA-PS 3005-2022, which is ang focus ani is sa kanang responsibilities sa kanang owner sa mga smoke system smoke detector. So first is the maintaining an alarm clock and tuning appropriate personnel to properly maintain the system. Then, maintaining a detector maintenance lab that records inspection and testing data for each detector in the system. Then, maintaining a complete file of information in the alarm system in a readily accessible location. This file should include specifications and installation instructions for the detector's control unit. At auxiliary devices, wiring diagrams and wire location information, and the manufacturer's recommendations for isolating the detection system, wiring from other electrical wiring to prevent interference in nuisance alarms. This file could also show the alarm log and detector maintenance logs. The next is keeping accurate records of installation of and modification of the any and all of the building's electromechanical systems that could potentially cause interference with the alarm system, including updating schematics, wiring layouts, and wiring location information whenever changes are made so that problems can be promptly found and eliminated if they occur. So, dapat na ikuan kanang frequent maintenance check para sa kanang tawagan na installation sa if na kay modify sa kanang smoke detector para at least if ever nato siya effect sa kanang functionality dato sa smoke detector makakuha na din siya, mapakitaan din siya sa solution. The next is making a clear record of everything done during investigation of a series of alarms indicating whether a problem exists. If assistance must be sought from the installer or manufacturer, there will be an indication of the test that have already been done by the owner's personnel. So, aside sa mga owner's personnel, if ever dili ito niya kuan kanang makaya ang trabaho bitaw such as kanang inspection lagi tapos na mga taon tapos kanang dili cover sa iyang field ba or siguro lack siya sa skills para kato bitaw kuan to. Pwede siya magkuan na to sa kanang magkuhagid sila sa katong mismo sa installer sa smoke detector system. Bali dito sila mangayo sa advice or kapag yun mismo ila ipa-check.
So moving on to the results outcomes. The investigation highlighted the need for stricter compliance and safety standards of water flows, particularly in federally funded housing complexes. The case study calls for increased accountability and transparency in inspection and maintenance process of funded housing complexes to ensure the safety of residents. Implementation of the latest PO 2022 guidelines for the proper use of system smoke detectors is recommended to ensure compliance with safety standards. So, ato kailangan ma-maintain ato mga smoke detectors sila yung mga accidents. So, kung yung smoke detectors ay maganda, lagi makapag, lagi siya ito properly analyzed. Discussion. The excellent emphasizes the consequences of not putting into action the necessary protocol in terms of installation of smoke detector system. It can potentially lead to loss of lives and damage of properties if there is a lack of inspections and maintenance done in the area. By adhering to Landmark BDS 3005, 2022, such cases will be prevented from happening in the future. So, conclusion. In conclusion, the case study highlights the importance of regular smoke alarm inspections and maintenance of public housing facilities. So, big na siya. Wala tayo mga smoke detectors, kung wala tayo smoke detectors, pinanong ito na siya. Like, kung may mag-detect sa smoke in case like mga fires. Right? Kasi lang may smoke detectors, pinanong wala ito na i-maintain. Pero magana siya. Kasi lang sa smoke detectors, kundi magana. So, the failure to comply with NFA standards and mga events puts lives at risk and then have devastating consequences. By implementing a comprehensive plan to improve fire safety, local authorities can help ensure that residents are safe and secure in the road. So, karon mga panahon, iba ng technology. Kung hindi tama sila sa technology, masalig sa mga ma-replace.
Ikaw.
Kung pa rin magkaroon sa naisulat to, naisulat na information na yun. So, recommendation, regular smoke alarms detections and testing should be conducted by qualified personnel at least once a month. Kailangan qualified, alam mo na pumunta itong pa-inspect sa kailangan naman ng mabutan. So, this includes inspecting the detectors for damage, cleaning and adjusting them, and testing them to ensure their function properly. So, pag-maintain niya pa, itong hinluan, mga parts of the list na. Facilities should develop and implement a comprehensive maintenance plan for their smoke alarm system. This plan should include regular inspections, testing and replacement of detectors as needed. Facilities should also ensure that all staff and residents are aware of the plan and the rules in maintaining fire safety. So, bisa dati, ang mga smoke detector, kailangan din natin tayo mga knowledge about kay sa mga alarm, nagtiyo ng alarm, kaya kabalo sa natin. Kung dapat nakabalo ka sa next. Facilities should develop and implement a system for reporting and addressing smoke alarm malfunctions. This system should include the process for reporting malfunctions, a procedure for repairing or replacing detectors, and a method for verifying that detectors are functioning properly after repair or replacement. Kaya po na ito mga fire alarms, nag-anagi siya sa intended nga situation. Hindi kayo mag-tuan na makatali siya alarm sa wala siya nakalitin tuan, smoke, may sunog, makuha na ta mapalaw. So, thirdly, facilities should ensure that all smoke alarm systems are installed in accordance with NEMA BS 30005-2022 guidelines. This includes ensuring that detectors are installed in the correct location as well as properly connected and the power sources are reliable. So, kinakaba itong mga smoke detectors na kung sa saktong lugar, dahil kayo magbutang smoke detectors at puno